to ah.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, make yourself some friends and you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
Testing oh.
It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. Buying love and smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never reached sure we were out to make the stand a figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife and you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. I always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about the glory just always seemed to bore me, 'cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. See my goals, I don't believe in failure, 'cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if I don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll say you later. Once I was 20 years old, the story got told. Somewhere everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Our songs have been sung, traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life, my world with children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Cause of my boys are with me, some are still I'm seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still sorry. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a letter one. I hope my children come in peace and once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Well, if the world is gone, well, I have a lot of children who can warm me. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Years old, mama told me, go make yourself some friends and you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old.
Okay, that's all for tonight. Thank you very much.